माय नेम इज राजू। आप देख रहे हो आरटी एजुटेक यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की जो वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन एडमिशन 2021 की शेड्यूल बात करेंगे, फर्स्ट मेरिट लिस्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे। ठीक है, सारी डिटेल में इन्फॉर्मेशन की हम बात करेंगे। और आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि हम आपके लिए ऐसे लेटेस्ट अपडेट और रिजल्ट अपडेट लेके आते हैं और काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस, एडमिशन प्रोसेस, टॉप कॉलेजेस, सारे लेटेस्ट जॉब वैकेंसी, सारी इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो लाते हैं। प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द शेड्यूल हैज बीन द रिलीज फॉर द बोथ मेरिट लिस्ट बेस्ड एंट्रेंस एग्जाम based on post-graduation admission. The candidate can check enter the schedule at admission.uot.ac.in. ठीक है, the Delhi University has released the guideline for open book examination that will comes from November 30, which the state the students who have option for the physical mode can also take the exam from their home. However, those who have option for the online mode of exam cannot choose the physical mode of examination. The last date for filling the examination form is November 18, and it might be extended according to be official. The guideline started the college should upload the mobile number and the email ID and the nodal officer on the college website so the students can reach them in case of any query during the exam. The students have been given two options, physical mode and another remote mode. ठीक है, by using the ICT based facility. Those who have option for the online option for writing exam by physical mode will have to the choice of writing in through remote mode, but not vice versa. The college will provide the necessary infrastructure in a compliance with the Maharashtra guideline, MHA UGC guideline. In a view of COVID-19 guidelines said, the students shall be provided all the facility by the college for taking the open book exam physical mode. They will be have to bring their own A4 size sheet. The duration of the exam shall be 4 hours, including the 1 hour of the scanning answer sheet in the PDF JPG format and uploading on the portal. Differently able students will give the 6 hours. If students face a technical issue while uploading their answer sheets, they can submit their answer sheet beyond the stipulated time limit with the documentary evidence for which an additional 1 hour will be given. The case of the delay submission will be the delay submission might also cause the delay in the declaration of the result for such candidate. In a related development, the non-collegiate women education postponed the examination of the third and fifth semester students till the further order. The exam were supposed to begin on November 30. The NCWEB is non-formal system obtaining a degree from Delhi University with lecture being delivered only on the weekend. Only women students residing in the national capital territory of Delhi can enroll themselves as the students of the board. ठीक है, ऐसे वीडियो देखने के लिए प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।